How can we set up automatic email responses when we are on vacation or unable to reply? Set it to auto-reply to users by simply logging into your Gmail account. Click the Settings option, select See All Settings, and then come down from the General tab. Keep scrolling down until you see this section. It is currently disabled, so enable it to set the date. Set the date. Set the time frame for when to reply to users and write your message here. For instance, say I am on vacation and cannot reply. Hit Save Changes to send replies automatically.